What's good, Up Next family? It's your boy Up Next. Malin, I'm coming back with another video. Hey man, look, before this video even starts, bro, hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications, and also hit that like button, and don't forget to click the bell. Do that right now before the video even starts. Alright, so do all that before the video even starts, man. Let's get straight into the video. Let's get it. Let's go. What's good, Up Next family? This your boy Up Next. Malin, I'm coming back with another video. Hey man, look. If y'all haven't already, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications. I'm about to teach y'all, I'm about to show y'all the ingredients on your dreads and just how to make them grow faster, how to just maintain them. You understand what I'm saying? So the first ingredients I have, and I talk about this each and every video, man. Apple cider vinegar. This is a lifesaver. Now, if you didn't watch my last video talking about the do's and the don'ts, go watch my last video. If you didn't watch my last video on the do's and the don'ts, go watch the last video. I basically tell y'all what to do and what not to do. It's that simple when you have dreads. But I have the apple cider vinegar, and I told y'all, man, y'all need to be using this on y'all dreads at least once a month, just for a cleanse of your dreads. Or if you're not going to the salon, you definitely need, if you're going through a freeform stage or whatever you're going through, bro, that you're not going to a salon and you're maintaining it, you're gonna need this apple cider vinegar, bro. Because I'm telling you, if you're not washing your hair, if you're not doing that, even if you are washing your hair once a week, man, rinse your hair out with apple cider vinegar. You hear me? Alright, so a lot of y'all been asking me what shampoo I use. I use the Tingle shampoo. I showed y'all this in like 3 or 4 videos. But I use the Tingle shampoo. You know what I'm saying? It works. It works for my dreads. It don't really like leave no smell in my dreads, but when I apply it, it smells fresh. I promise to God, it had a whole shower smelling fresh. You know what I'm saying? But when I apply it and when I like come out the shower and stuff, my dreads don't smell like Tingle or let alone apple cider vinegar. Vinegar, it don't really stick in your hair. I was surprised at that, but vinegar really don't stick in your hair. But golly, the next one I got is, I have yet to use this, just because of the simple fact I just washed my dreads yesterday, and I just ain't used it, bro. You know what I'm saying? Of course, I'm gonna moisturize my dreads, but I'm gonna use that later on today, or I'm gonna use some tomorrow, because I already washed my dreads and I'm not about to lay down and I have oil in my hair and oil gets on my bed sheet and my bed pillow. Nah, bro, that's not what we're gonna do. So yeah, man, those are my 3 ingredients that I use each month. You know what I'm saying? Now, of course, I don't use this. I haven't used this. I haven't got a chance to use this. I just bought this like last week. I just washed my hair yesterday, but I haven't got a chance to use this. But I'm going to use it. You know what I'm saying? So if y'all new to my channel, make sure that subscribe button, turn on post notifications. Also, follow all my social medias up above, and they will be in the link in the description. And yeah, bro, make sure you go watch my do's and don't videos. It's a very quick video showing y'all what y'all do and what y'all don't want to do with dreads. I'm gonna catch y'all folks later, bro. Peace.